All right, it's another typical winter in Pittsburgh. And it's still going on here, as you could tell. But good morning, or yeah. It's about lunchtime, so happy noon or something. This is what you have to live with in Pennsylvania. Almost the hard part is that the weather can be so bipolar / schizophrenic. One day it's like 60 and sunny, you get all this spring hope, and then the next day it's like the season goes, yeah, you didn't think it was spring yet, did you? But anyhow, we're taking the good old Ford out today. See if she got a tire pressure light again, since it is cold. No, we're good. All right, I gotta go out and slap my windshield wipers a little bit. There we go. I mean, just look at this. So it's 19 degrees out currently. And one thing I love about this car is that it has all-wheel drive. Now, a rumor that I have heard is that for 2019, or maybe it's 20, when the new generation Ford Fusion comes out, they're not gonna have any gas engines left. It's only gonna be a hybrid, which to me is kind of weird. I don't understand why they would do that. Now, one thing about the Ford Fusion that has been its strong point is that it is available in all-wheel drive. Many of its competitors are only available in front-wheel drive, like the Nissan Altima, the Honda Accord, the Passat, and those models. I mean, the Chrysler 200 used to be available in all-wheel drive, but they don't make that anymore. Now, of course, you can get a Subaru, like an, what do they call, Legacy, as well, that is all-wheel drive. But currently, the Ford Fusion as a hybrid is only available in front-wheel drive. So unless they make a hybrid all-wheel drive, you know, I think they're just gonna lose market shares and buyers. I have no idea why they would stop making the gas engines, although these EcoBoost engines, they are pretty powerful and torquey and stuff. They suck on fuel economy, so, you know, I understand that part of it. They're not good. Currently here, you guys can probably see, it's getting 19.9 miles per gallon, and that is mixed driving, highway and city. So, I mean, yeah, it's not good. Leave a comment below regarding what you guys think of the rumor that the Fusion is only going to be available as a hybrid. But when the weather is like it is today, at least you can have some fun and do all-wheel drive burnouts. Kidding me? I got tire pressure low light again. Can't have a little fun. I'm gonna stop this now. It smells weird too. There's definitely something with this front tire, since I always get planes. Tire pressure low light in that one tire right there, but it is what it is. We had a little bit of fun in the Fusion at least. All right, so I just got back to the house after doing a little all-wheel drive burnout session there. And here's the thing. I keep my Fusion key by itself. I don't keep it on my keychain where I have the Mercedes key and everything, because I don't drive it that often and I don't want this gigantic keychain. So whenever I need the Fusion, I just go grab this key, and usually I always bring my keychain with, you know, house keys and everything and the Mercedes key and all that. I was in and out of the house, and somehow I must have just left the keychain on the table, just grabbed this key and left the house, locked it, and now I can't get in the house. So I locked myself out of my own damn house. And my wife is at work, so SOL for me. I guess I have to jump in the car so I don't freeze to death. Thank God I can start it. And I don't know, go grab something to eat, I guess. I almost figured that maybe I'd put them here in the car somewhere, but I didn't. Okay. You know what? We'll just call my wife and see how far out she is from being back home. Otherwise, we'll just go to a restaurant somewhere. She's probably not gonna pick up if she's with a client, but we'll try it out here.
Hey, honey.
Hey, baby.
What's up?
I locked myself out of the house.
Okay,
You're not even surprised anymore. You're like, okay, I'll be back at this time.
well, I'll actually be done probably in a half an hour.
Okay. Truthfully, this is not the first time that this happened, so, yeah.
Huh?
No, I was talking to YouTube here.
Yeah, I'll be done in like 25 minutes or so.
Okay, so thank God I have an understanding wife, and she'll be done from work soon, and I can get back in my house. Okay, so it's a new day. New weather conditions as well. Things change quickly here, as I've said before. Now, for those who want to know, I did meet up with my wife for dinner. She gave me the keys so I could get back in the house. But for the second part of this video, we're going to take a look at this. Vava sent me their new dash cam, and I've had an eye on this dash cam for a little while. I get a lot of offers to review different dash cams. I've done one for Vantru before. It was the Vantru X2, but none of them have really caught my eye, and I haven't really been interested in them. But this new Vava dash cam, it has a pretty cool design, which is something that I like. Now when you open it up, it's a pretty nice box. All the stuff that you need in there. But we're gonna jump right into the Mercedes here and take a look at the dash cam and the way that I've mounted it. Now when I had one in the Fusion, I just basically put one out. It wasn't a Vava dash cam, but I just put the dash cam up and then I let the cord hang all over here and I just plugged it in. Now with the Vava dash cam in the Mercedes here, I actually put it up pretty correct, not completely. See, this is an airbag here, and yeah, the cord shouldn't really go around this A-pillar right here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to reposition that a little bit. This is a GPS right here, and I should be putting that right up here. And then get the cord around, and just like I've done here, just put it underneath this seal, goes all the way underneath here. And then you get these cool little clips as well, so you can keep the cord in one place. Then I put it in underneath here. Now regarding the design, I actually like it. And then the actual cam, it moves. You can turn it around 360 degrees, and then it connects through this magnet right here. So very easy to operate, and I like the functionality of it. It's different. I'm gonna start the car up here, plug it back in. A lot of niggas I know are taking care of kids that might be mine. Turn Big L down there. So when you download the Vava Dash Cam app, you can connect through Wi-Fi. All right, so now it gave me a notification that connected. I just click there. So then you can get a live feed here through your phone. So it goes without saying that the actual dash cam does not have a display. You do it through Wi-Fi on your phone here. Now here's the little snap photo button that you can hook up to your car as well. I haven't really done that because it works just fine to do it from the app on the phone. So you can take snapshots there, you can start the camera and whatnot. So how good is the resolution from the Vava dash cam? Well, it films in 1080p, 60 frames per second, and that is the best resolution that you can get. So it's not 1420, which I think the Vantru was that I had, but I still like this one better. And I drove around a little bit last night, so we'll take a look at some of the night shots that we got. So when it is pitch black, yeah, I mean, the resolution is not the best. However, it does work. But as soon as you get into lighter settings, even though it is nighttime, I think it works pretty well. You are able to make out license plates. Although, you know, of course, the resolution could be improved for the night vision. Now, driving around during the day, I mean, to me, it works just fine. I mean, of course, I would want it to be 4K, 60 frames per second. But then again, you know, those files take a lot of room on the SD card. But then what I like is that you can just turn the camera. Now the dash cam has a parking mode. So when you park your car, there's a G sensor in the actual dash cam. So if something happens in front of your car, the camera turns on. And with it being able to turn like this, you can kind of position the camera wherever you want when the car is parked. So I really, really like that. Now, I'm not gonna make this review very long and boring. I chose this dash cam and I'm gonna keep this in my car because I really, really like it because of its functionality. Now, if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself or your wife, your friend, your family member, whatever, there is an Amazon link in the description below where you can actually purchase it for $109.99, if I'm not mistaken. The original price is $129 or $149. I'm actually not 100% sure there, but it is a pretty good deal. A lot of dash cams out there on the market are definitely more money than that. And for the package that the Volvo dash cam is, I definitely recommend it. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description below and get your own Volvo dash cam. But as usual during this season here, the car is currently extremely dirty. But I wanted to let you know that in tomorrow's video, there's another modification that has been put on the car. Can't see it from this angle, but I love the way that it looks, and I think that it might be the last mod that I do to the AMG. So that's gonna do it for this video. It's starting to rain here, it's extremely windy. I gotta go home and I gotta do some taxes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time and you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.